Good morning, Legion. We're now officially able to talk about the two new products that have dropped for Near. The first one is known as the Private AI Chat. It uses a trusted execution environment for managing all of your conversations, such that there's no data collection of your prompts and the prompt's responses. That's pretty cool. Privacy is normal. The second one is known as the Near AI Private Cloud. This is a platform where AI runs on your terms, fully private, verifiable, and user-owned. It allows you to deploy and scale powerful LLMs on privacy-focused GPUs protected once more by trusted execution environments or TEEs and backed by on-chain guarantees. This product is specifically built for the age of agentic AI, with Near AI Cloud giving your models the power to act, reason, and transact while you retain complete control over the stack. Consider both of these products the very beginning of the Near AI build-out. There are also a number of partnerships connected with both of these products, including the Brave partnership announced last week. We'll continue to cover these partnerships as both of these products grow up over time. Today, the event you should be aware of is the Near Town Hall. It's at 11 a.m. and will feature Illia with a focus on the products that just dropped, as well as the state of the Near ecosystem, which, by the way, is trending up, I would say, in spite of market conditions. Our first story today is between Anthropic and the known Dragonfly Capital Fund creator, Hasib. As he writes, AI's capacity to find zero-day vulnerabilities in blockchains is just the beginning, and things are going to get scary fast. As the report documents, more than half of the blockchain exploits carried out in 2025 could have been executed autonomously by current AI agents. Now that is incredible, and we expect that number to go up. Hopefully teams in the space can front run this trend and audit their code with AI before they deploy. Our second and last story today has to do with the live stream last week between Murad and Illia. Both founders talked about the risk curve and how the world is changing for the younger generations. A recent Financial Times article documents exactly why. As financial prospects dim for many of the youth around the world, the prospect of escaping via crypto becomes not only appealing, but actually rational. A recent study from Northwestern University and the University of Chicago documents the exact socioeconomic situation many face that drives some to despair and others to crypto. Folks, this is all before ASI is even created. Crypto is the future for most people, whether they understand that or not. And the Near Legion is here to provide a home for those brave enough to find Near, commit to the ecosystem, and focus on the benefits of user-owned AI. Our mission is on the long term, and our goal is clear. Make the Legion the greatest AI community in the world, built around the principles of Near AI. Alternatively, we could perish as closed source AI takes over. We'll do this all again real soon.